Welcome to Seymour Library's YouTube channel. Today we'll be exploring Mango Languages. Mango Languages is a language learning service that is available either through your PC or through an app. In this video, we will take a look at the Mango Language website. Now let's get started. First, open your web browser. I will be using Microsoft Edge, but you can use any browser of your choosing, whether it be Google Chrome or Firefox. I will be using Edge so that it doesn't try to autofill any passwords or try to save them. Next, go to your browser bar and enter seymourlibrary.org. Once the website opens, go down to our eLibrary section. You just need to hover over it and then go down to eResources and click. Once here, you just need to click on Language and Learning. And then click on Mango Languages. The Mango Languages website will now open. And you will need to go down to Don't Have a Password, Sign Up. Go ahead and click Sign Up. And then enter your email address and a password of your choosing. And then click Sign Up. You will then be given the agreement for use of Mango Languages. Click Agree. And then you'll be given the option to pick a language. You can either search for a language within the Find a Language. You can browse the popular languages, or you can click to see all. And you will see that they have a wide variety of languages. They have over 70 language courses. A fun one that they also include is pirate, so you can learn to talk like a pirate. I am going to try Japanese. So once you click there, you are taken to your learning module. You can click to start learning, either here, or you can go down here. I'll just press the main button. It will lead you through a tutorial so that you can get used to what you're supposed to do. You can read your goals. So they have conversational goals and grammar goals. And click Start.
Listen to the following conversation.
こんにちは。いい天気ですね。
ええ、本当に。観光ですか？
ええ、そうです。
気をつけて。
ありがとうございます。じゃあ、さようなら。
さようなら。
So you can re-listen to any of the dialogue here.
こんにちは。いい天気ですね。
ええ、本当に。観光ですか？
Or you can move on to the next portion.
This course will adopt the conventional Romaji method to transcribe Japanese words and sentences. The 5 vowels are spelled like this.
あ、い、う、え、お、
Each Japanese character is spelled as a combination of a consonant and a vowel, as in
さ、
or,
ぎ、
except for
ん、
which has no vowel. Long vowels are spelled with double vowels, as in
あ、
or.
い、
Some words containing a special sound are spelled out like this.
切手、キャンプ、
And
東京。
the Romaji method is simple and useful for beginners to figure out how to read Japanese. That's why it is often used to transcribe Japanese words in name cards, road and station signs, textbooks, and so on, for the convenience of non-native speakers. Please be aware, however, that the Romaji method doesn't always reflect some fine points of actual pronunciation. In such cases, listen carefully and try to imitate the narrator as closely as possible.
So you can see that it also teaches you the basic grammar of the language.
Listen to the way you would say, "Good afternoon."
こんにちは。
Let's hear that again.
こんにちは。
Let's hear you say, "Good afternoon."
And so then you also get to practice. It's going to think I'm saying it, but I'm not. I will actually go ahead and
Listen to the way you would say, "Good afternoon."
I'm going to click the X up
Konnichiwa.
here.
Let's hear that again.
And so now you can see that I am within the first part of the chapter. And you can see the rest of the chapters and courses. And essentially you just have to work your way through them. I can also go over to Explore. Up in the upper left, you'll see that currently we're on Learn. And then I can go to Explore. Looks like, well, let's see what they do. So this is one that they're working on, Mango Premiere, where they'll actually do film-based language learning, which is kind of interesting because people learn differently, so it might help you to learn the language by watching a film and hearing how things are spoken. And it looks like that is a newer feature and that they're planning on doing more things within the Explore option in the future. You can also click over to Tools, and this will allow you to input text and then have it translated. And you can change the languages here. If you've ever played with Google Translate, it's much the same. On the other side of the screen, so on the right, you'll have notifications here. And this wants me to confirm my email address. So when you first sign up, you usually do have to confirm your email. And then you can view your account information to the far right. So I can go down and view my profile. I can enter my name. I can change my password. Tap on Organizations. And it shows that I am linked here through the Finger Lakes Library System. You can create a family profile. And you can also view your activity. So if I go here and I click Resume,
Listen Listen to the way you would say, "Good afternoon."
こんにちは。
Let's hear that again.
こんにちは。
It's going to take me right back where I left off, and I can resume learning. Some other tools to point out. When you're within the lesson, you'll see in the upper right, one, you have this keyboard guide. So this will show you shortcuts that you can use on your keyboard. This is the basic help and support ticket. And then these are other settings. So you can adjust the volume. You can turn the narrator off, so that bit where it read the portion on grammar, you could actually turn that off and just read it yourself. You can add closed captions, and you can have a quiz timer. Up in the middle, you'll just be able to see what part you're on. So this is Unit 1, Chapter 1, Lesson 1, and this is page 4 of 16. And then, of course, to the far left, you can have the exit, so you can just close out. I can hop into any of the other chapters, but I would recommend, if you are learning, that you stick to where you are so that you get the progressive lessons. So that is Mango Languages. I hope that you will give it a try, especially if you're interested in language learning. It's a great resource that we have available. In the next video, I will show you the Mango Languages app. Stay tuned for more great content from Seymour Library, including more learning options and programming. Thank you for joining me. Bye.